I can see that this is my moment. This is my time. And I'm gonna shine, 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 shine. And I'm gonna shine, 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 shine. When the morning comes, I'm gonna say, look how bright I've become. I'm gonna stay in the light of the sun all day long. I won't run, this is my destiny, and I won't ever let the darkness get the best of me. I'm gonna shine, 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 shine. I ain't gonna wait no more. Mama used to say, baby, for goodness sake, don't ever dim your light down low. This is my moment. This is my time. And I'm gonna shine, 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 shine. I'm gonna shine, shine, shine. I'm gonna shine, 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 shine. Tell ya I'm gonna own it. I've made up my mind, and I'm gonna shine, 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 shine. And I'm gonna shine, 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 shine. I'm gonna shine, 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 shine.
Good afternoon to everyone. Still, we could greet one another. Merry Christmas. No? Merry Christmas po. We are still in the season of Christmas.
I will tread down a lonesome track, set my eyes on the wild and won't look back. I will follow where my heart reacts.
Arvin and Krishna.
Venture
Sa araw na ito, ito na yung araw na inyong pinakahihintay. Ito na yung araw na iyong pinaghahandaan. Kung titingnan natin, hindi lang buwan ang pagpaplano ng kasal. It takes years ang bibilangin para lamang paghandaan ang kasal na nais mo.
climbing up from
Yan ang pag-ibig na ipinapakita at ipinapadama nila sa bawat isa sa atin ngayon. Your ordinary love becomes so special, so sacred. Dahil ngayon, yung pagmamahalan ninyo ay napakasagrado, napaka-special. Dahil pinili ninyo na igawad ito ng simbahan para sa inyo. In few moments from now, we will witness the exchange of love between Krishna and Arvind.
I'll find my feet on the way. I'll find my feet on the way. Step by step I come alive. Lift my hand up to the skies. Won't look back, I'll chase the sun.
Yung pagmamahalan nila ay sinubok ng maraming taon. Magaganda at hindi nais at hindi din magagandang pangyayari sa kanilang buhay. Pero sabi nga nila, sa haba-haba man ng prosesyon, sa simbahan din ang kanilang tuloy.
On the way, I'll find my feet on the way.
Kaya kapag sinabi nating sagrado, yung pag-ibig na ordinaryo, nagiging unconditional. You will be promising today and forever of your love for one another unconditionally, starting from this day up to the last day of your life, that you will love each other unconditionally.
Take a walk in the park, holding hands in the dark, steal a kiss beneath the stars.
Gagawin ko na lang yung best ko para maging
My heart beat
mabuting
fast
asawa
as I
at
looked at
nanay
you.
ng mga anak
And I
natin
could
in
tell
the future.
yours was
Basta
racing
mahal ko kayo ni Tania.
till we fell at
Huwag niyo nang kakalimutan kahit anong mangyari.
and never
Alagaan ko
looked
kayo hanggat
back.
kaya ko. I love you too.
My love will never fail you. My arms will always save you. I will make you mine. I swear to always fight for us, and I swear no one can touch this love. Oh, I will make you mine for always.
Krishna, did you come here on your own free will to bind yourself forever in the love and service of your husband? Arvind, did you come here of your own free will to bind yourself forever in the love and service of your wife? Yes, Father.
See, I don't believe in chance. I think it's the choice we make. Oh, and I choose you for the rest of my days. My love will never fail you. My arms will always save you. I will make you mine.
Ang pagmamahal ni Jesus sa atin ay tinatawag na unconditional, sagrado. Bakit? Dahil mahal ka ni Jesus kahit na tayo ay nagkakasala. Mamahalin ka niya maging sino ka man.
You are all I'd ever need, and you are more than I could hope you'd be.
Sa lahat ng mga pagsubok na ito, mananatili kay matatag, nagtitiwala, nagpapatawaran at nagmamahalan sa bawat isa. Sapagkat ang Diyos ang gumagabay sa inyo. May our faithful God grace you now and forever as you begin your life as husband and wife.
I swear to always